How to chase, reclaim, and fix your relationship with a loved one. The silence is a test. Not one she's giving you, but one the universe has placed before you. When a woman distances herself, a cold, quiet void opens up. The instinct is to fill it with questions, with promises, with grand gestures of attention. This chase feels like love, but in that moment, it is the opposite of strength. It whispers, "My world is empty without you," and nothing erodes attraction faster. You must learn the art of the graceful release. This is the core of the no-contact rule. It is not a manipulation tactic to make her miss you. It is a radical act of self-preservation, the ultimate way to protect your mental health in relationships. You are not giving her the silent treatment. You are giving yourself the gift of clarity. You step back completely. In that space, you do the hardest, most transformative work. You become still. You stop being emotionally reactive, where every unanswered text feels like a verdict on your worth. You stop trying to decode female psychology and relationships and start mastering your own. This is where you build high-value man traits, not as a performance for her, but as a new foundation for yourself. You return to your purpose. You rebuild your inner world with such focus that her absence becomes the background, not the foreground. This is how you handle a woman ignoring you. You match her energy, not with pettiness, but with profound, peaceful investment in yourself. And here lies the subtle truth. When you stop seeing her distance as a problem to be solved and start seeing it as space to be filled with your own growth, everything changes. Your anxious energy evaporates, replaced by a grounded calm. This calm is the most powerful psychological trigger of all. It shows her without a single word that your value is intrinsic and unshakable. It allows her to feel the true weight of your absence. It transforms you from someone seeking her validation into someone who embodies his own. Whether she returns or not becomes secondary. If she does, you will reconnect not from a place of lack, but from a place of wholeness. The only place from which you can rebuild attraction naturally. If she doesn't, you will walk away not as a man she ignored, but as a man who learned to truly see and respect himself. The power was never in convincing her to stay. It was always in having the courage to stand, solid and complete, even if she chose to walk away. That is the story of a man who cannot be ignored. Like, share, comments, and follow for more.